Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. I want to do something a little bit different, and today's video is a room tour 2019. And the last time I did one of these was a couple years ago at the beginning of 2017, and my room has changed a lot since then. I've added so many new bits, I've changed my room up, and I will leave that video as a card right here if you want to see the difference between this video and that video a couple years ago. And yeah, I'm just so excited to show you guys what my room looks like, and I actually like looking back at these just to compare it to see how much it has changed. A lot of my room now has been inspired by like Pinterest and like just seeing some good bargains in Primark and just general internet interior things. And a lot of things I can already see putting in my future home in certain places. Like you will see a letterboard that I'm going to put in my kitchen, another plant that I'm thinking of putting in my living room in the future. Like I am seriously planning my future in my room right now. So if you guys do enjoy it, leave a comment below and let me know what your favourite part of my room is. And without further ado, let's get into it. that is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You got inspiration if you want to change up your room this year, because it's new year, new me. I mean, no, it's technically basically February when I'm filming this, so technically it still counts. But give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell below to get updates next upload. And I will see you guys next week for another snazzy video. Goodbye!